everybody, I am Jala. Do you want to start to learn English? And do you want to start to learn English in an easy way? In today's lesson, I am gonna speak about a grammar lesson, about to be. And this lesson can be useful especially for beginners. So let's go. The verb to be is very useful in most sentences. It shows the situation or the place of something or somebody. In sentences, we use its forms according to the tense forms. And today I'll speak about its forms. I'll speak about to be in 4 tense forms. The present simple tense. We use this tense form when we speak about now. And the verb to be has 3 forms according to the present simple tense. Am, is, are. So let's begin to use to be late in sentences. I am late. You are late. She is late. He is late. It is late. We are late. You are late. They are late. We can also say, I'm late. You're late. She's late. In negative, we say, I am not late. You are not late. She's not late. And now let's use to be tired in sentences. I am tired. You are tired. She is tired. He is tired. We are tired. They are tired. In negative, we say, I am not tired. You are not tired. She is not tired. We are not tired. They are not tired. In question, we say, am I tired? Are you tired? Is she tired? Is he tired? Are we tired? Are they tired? If we want to answer, we can have short answers. Yes, I am. Is she tired? Yes, she is. Or, no, she isn't. Are they tired? Yes, they are. Or, no, they are not. And now some more samples. Is she married? No, she's not. She's single. Are you at home? Yes, I am. Are you a teacher? No, I am not. I am a student. Is he your brother? Yes, he is. Is your mother a doctor? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is the book interesting? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. We can also ask special questions using question words. Who, what, where, why, how old, how far, and so on. What are you? I am a student. Who is she? She is my mother. Where are you? I am at home. How old is she? She is 16. Why are you tired? I work a lot. Now let's learn to be in the past simple. It has 2 forms for the past simple, was and were. Let's use to be happy in the past simple. I was happy. You were happy. She was happy. He was happy. It was happy. We were happy. You were happy. They were happy. In negative, we say, I was not happy or I wasn't happy. You were not happy or you weren't happy. She was not happy or she wasn't happy. In question, we say, was I happy? Were you happy? Was she happy? If we want to answer, we use short answers. Yes, I was. Was she happy? Yes, she was. Or, no, she wasn't. Were they happy? Yes, they were. Or, no, they weren't. For the past simple, we can use some adverbs of time. Ago, last year, last week, yesterday, the day before yesterday, in my childhood, in my youth. For example, I was at work yesterday. She was happy last year. They were married 2 years ago. I was very sick 2 days ago. It was rainy the day before yesterday. Let's ask some special questions. Why were you angry? Because I was very tired. Who were at the party? My friends were at the party. Where were you yesterday? I was at home yesterday. Where was she 2 days ago? She was in the country 2 days ago. How old were you last year? I was 15 last year. Now let's speak about to be in the future simple. It has the form will be. Let's use to be glad in the future simple. I will be glad. You will be glad. She will be glad. He will be glad. We will be glad. They will be glad. We can also say, I'll be glad. You'll be glad. She'll be glad. We'll be glad. In negative, we say, I'll not be glad or I won't be glad. You'll not be glad or you won't be glad. They will not be glad or they won't be glad. In question, we say, will I be glad? Will you be glad? Will she be glad? Will they be glad? If we want to answer, we say, yes, I will. No, I won't. Yes, she will. No, she won't. Will you be glad if you see him? Yes, I will. We can use some adverbs of time for the future simple. Tomorrow, soon, in 2 days, in a few days, in the future, the day after tomorrow. Will you be there tomorrow? Yes, I will. Will she be happy when she sees me? Yes, she will. Or, no, she won't. Will he be sad if I say this news? Yes, he will. No, he won't. You can also use will be, after, I promise, I'm sure, I hope, I expect. For example, I expect they will be on time. I am sure you will be pleased with my lessons. I am sure you will be happy when you see me. I promise I will be there in time. I hope you will be at my party. I promise everything will be okay soon. Now let's learn to be in the present perfect tense form. It has two forms for the present perfect: has been and have been. Let's use to be married in the present perfect. I have been married. You have been married. He has been married. She has been married. We have been married. You have been married. They have been married. In negative, we say, I have not been married, or I haven't been married. You have not been married, or you haven't been married. She has not been married, or she hasn't been married. In question, we say, have I been married? Have you been married? Has she been married? Have they been married? If we want to answer, we say, yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Have you been married for 2 years? If you want to answer, you say, yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Has she been married since last year? Yes, she has, or no, she hasn't. We can use some adverbs of time for the present perfect: just, already, for, since, ever, never, recently, lately. Have you ever been married? No, I have never been married. Where have you been recently? I have been abroad recently. Has he been at work today? Yes, he has been at work today. I have been very bad for 2 days. She has been very angry since last week. So you can use to be and its forms according to the tense forms in your speech. Practice English every day. Subscribe to my channel for more free videos. See you next time.